This is the effect of moisture on support materials. Printing with support materials can be challenging. These materials absorb moisture rapidly, leading to printing issues such as clogged nozzles and poor surface finish. The Drywise inline filament dryer can dry support materials as you are printing, eliminating the need for drying these materials in the oven, which can take days and can degrade the material. The Drywise material profiles now include support materials. Drywise is key to your success for printing support materials. Check out drywise.co/materials for more information.